Hey there people. Welcome back to Dr. Windows. No more worries about your PC issues from now on because we got your back. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this error message showing on the screen right now. All you gotta do is to do whatever I'm gonna do here, just follow me and see the magic works. And don't worry, this method is gonna work for all the Windows versions. Okay, so open up the search bar and type Task Scheduler and launch the app. Then go to Task Scheduler Library. Find Windows Update and click it. Down here go to the Action tab. See? This is the same dialog the error message showing you. Don't worry, we're gonna kill it without wasting another second. Right click on Windows Update and disable it. Yeah. That's it. We did it. Now restart your computer to see if that message pops again. It won't, it's our promise. Yeah, so, you know what we all do next. As you know, subscribe to this channel and give a thumbs up to this video if it helped. And dislike if you feels like I talk too much. Feel free to comment down your thoughts and suggest me about the next video too. See you again in the next video. Bye.